Hey team. So firstly, I want to show you my workout pants because I barely ever wear them and I realize that they're very awesome. They're Lorna Jane, and if you have any like overhang or like I carry my fat in my back, right? You can see. But with these pants on, you don't see it at all. Isn't that awesome? So they're Lorna Jane and I super love them. Okay, so I wanted to talk to you guys about this thought that occurred to me that just really excited me this morning before I got my makeup done. Coaching is who you are. It's not just what you do. It's not just a list of to-dos that you have to complete. We do have our vital behaviors. We do have things that we do in order to be successful for sure. There are activities that you have to actually go out and do, but coaching is more about who you are and who you're becoming than it is about those things. It's our approach to life. It's this positivity that we bring into our business and that we cultivate within ourselves. Personal development is one of the vital behaviors of a Beachbody coach. Every single successful Beachbody coach focuses on personal development and does it every single day, listens to at least 10 minutes of audio every day or reads 10 pages of a book every single day because it becomes addictive to improve yourself. And to the extent that we're willing to grow on the inside, that's to the extent that we'll be successful. I think I probably said that wrong, but that's okay. I'm excited. So I've just realized, like, over the last 2.5 years that I've been a coach, it has gone from something I do to the person I am. I am a coach. I haven't hit one of my goals this year so far. Every single monthly goal that I've set for myself, I have failed at. And instead of seeing that as a failure, I actually just see it as an opportunity to learn because I'm going to take those lessons and I am going to hit my target. I am going to hit that goal. I just have to learn some things before I actually do, right? So if I had that happen when I started as a coach, I did have that happen when I started as a coach sometimes, and it felt really bad. Like it didn't feel good. I felt like I had failed. Whereas now, because coaching is really ingrained in who I am and my lifestyle, it just does feel like a setback. And then, other than that, it's also like, I eat healthy food because that is the lifestyle that I use to inspire other people. I'm really trying to flesh out my thoughts here, guys, and it's kind of hard for me to put it into words. But coaching has gone from like I need to post on my page, like I need to find something to post on my page, I need to post in my groups, I need to send messages to people, I need to do my challenge group this month, all of that kind of stuff. It went from being a list of to-dos to now being just who I am, a part of who I am. I love talking to people. I love encouraging people. I love adding some inspiration and some levity to people's lives. I love informing people of things that they might not have been aware of in their fitness journey. I love posting on my page because I'm reaching out to people. I'm reaching out to my community, and that's what we do. As coaches, we inspire, we connect with people. I love connecting with people. When I talk to somebody, whether or not they join my challenge group, I know that I will have enjoyed connecting with that person. And I hope that I've given them a little bit of a deposit into their lives, some kind of encouragement, something like that, that they can take with them. And so, this is why personal development is such it's why it's the first vital behavior of a coach, is because we have to be feeding our souls, we have to be feeding ourselves in order to be able to continue to give like that to our community. And I realize that in my personal interactions with people, when I meet people, when I'm out with my kids, or when I go to the grocery store or whatever, if somebody strikes up a conversation with me, or if I strike up a conversation with somebody else, it's with the intention to put a little deposit of encouragement into their lives and to be interested in their lives, because that feels good for anybody. So it didn't start this way for me. it felt like hard work a lot of the time. Now, it felt like hard work a lot of the time, and it felt like it took a lot of energy out of me. Whereas now it energizes me to give to other people. So I guess the whole point of this is do your personal development, because even though it's a even though it's a to do right now for you, you're going to get addicted to it. You're going to get addicted to growing on the inside and to becoming that person that people are drawn to because you have this magnetic kind of energy. So I don't know if all of that makes sense. And I know that I rambled, but I'm too excited to not share my pants and what I was thinking. Love you guys.